Jackson County in south-central Indiana, Jennings County, until 8 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Franklin near Brownstown, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
Video.
With that. 60 miles an hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensburg, Newbern, Paris Crossing, Hartsville, Crothersville, Vilonia, Azalea, Manila, Milhausen, Sandusky, Arlington, Clarksburg, Bernie, Waymansville.
It's this one. Go in here.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 37 and 84. Interstate 74 between mile markers 108 and 144.